Banks and ATM witnesses heavy crowd, public still in tension over money exchange. Nainital High Court orders health secretary to equip Bageshwar Hospital within trauma center within 3 months. If he fails, then he will pay suspended. BJP state head got angry over absence of MLA from meet at Haridwar, said carelessness can't be tolerated. Commission in Manrega, Jakholi and Okimat people raised issue in front of Minister Rajendra Bhandari. Running car caught fire on Roorkee-Dehradun highway. All 3 travellers saved by locals. Good evening, I'm Sakshi Semal and you're watching HNN 24/7. Hundreds and thousands of persons queued up outside bank and ATMs in Uttarakhand as bank opened for the second day after currency notes of rupees 500 and 1000 were mentioned. Queues seen at many banks in the state capital were by and large disciplined. Reports of scuffle between people and security guard at some banks branches on smaller towns have been reported. And only till 18th of November, one can take out 2000 per day through ATMs. Prashant Indresh, Hridaya State Finance Minister, took a jibe over government decision of denominations. He said that Modi was saying he will bring back black money, but now it seems he compromised. Indra was in Malital for State Foundation Day program and there she inaugurated Indra Amma Bhojanalaya.
छोटा आदमी आज पीड़ित हो गया, शादी वाला पीड़ित हो गया, सब्जी वाला पीड़ित हो गया, मजदूर पीड़ित हो गया, क्योंकि नोट तो 500 रुपए का है, ले नहीं रहा कोई, और उसे बहुत ज्ञान भी नहीं है, इसकी कोई ट्रेनिंग भी नहीं, ज्ञान भी नहीं। तो जो अचानक उन्होंने किया ये बताने को, विदेश से तो काला धन मिला नहीं, अब देश से काला धन ढूंढ रहे हैं। जिन पे काला धन है उन्होंने तो मैनेज कर लिया, जो बेचारे आम आदमी शादी के लिए रुपए निकाले बैठे वो पीड़ित हैं। तो इस तरह उन्होंने जो आर्थिक सुधार का दृष्टिकोण अपनाया, मैं इसकी व्यवहारिक
Demonetization impact is worst on the tourist. Tourists on Nainital visit facing a lot of problems in fooding and lodging. Sad faces of those tourists can be easily seen in Nainital who wanted to shop on their tour. Even on toll gates, tourists are facing problems. Apart from that, people are happy over the brave decision by Modi government to curb the black money.
बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो रही है। वी हैव कम डाउन ऑल द वे फ्रॉम मुंबई और यहाँ घूमने आए हैं, पर हर एक स्पॉट पे, इनफैक्ट नैनीताल में एंट्री भी नहीं मिल रही थी। वो बोल रहे 100 का नोट दो फिर ही एंट्री मिलेगी। अब सबके पास 500 का नोट, कहाँ से 100 का नोट लेके आए? फिर भी मुश्किल से वो तो लेके एंट्री तो मिली, बट अब एंट्री के बाद भी फ़ायदा कुछ नज़र नहीं आ रहा। नो डाउट ये स्टेप तो अच्छा ही है, बट फिर इतने दूर से घूमने आए हैं, पर अब पता नहीं क्या घूम।
The impact of demonetization is also in religious city Haridwar. Donation in temples and ashrams came down as people are not getting change of big notes. Tourists visiting Haridwar said that if you will have 100 rupee note, then only you can buy goods. Even hotels and temples are denying to accept 500 and 1000 rupee note. The value of 500 and 1000 note is nothing less than a piece of garbage paper here. Temple priest confirmed that donations aren't down after the government orders.
दिक्कत क्या है? सरकार की दिक्कत आ रही है। 5-5 के नोट है, कोई टूट नहीं रहे हैं। हर बंदा ऐसे कर रहा है जैसे कोई कागज का नोट पकड़ा रहे हैं। तो बड़ी दिक्कत आ रही है। अब आ तो गए हैं, टिकट वाला नहीं ले रहा, कोई शॉप वाला नहीं ले रहा है। वो तो ऐसे कर रहे हैं जैसे कागज हो रहे। दान वाले नहीं ले रहे, वो बिल्कुल नहीं ले रहे सर, जैसे कागज हो सर। अब करे तो करे क्या, ये नहीं समझ आ रहा है। अब कह रहे बैंक में जाओ, बैंक में भीड़ बहुत है, कहाँ जाएं, क्या करें। शॉप वाले कहते हैं ये चीज दे दो 10 रुपए की, 100 रुपए की, तो वो कहता है नहीं जी।
Rajya Sabha MP Pradeep Tamta alleged that BJP is cheating Dalits over Dalit Pride rally. While addressing to media in Rudraprayag, Tamta said that polls are near and BJP is aware that Dalits are with Congress, so they are trying to attract Dalit by organizing such events. He also alleged that BJP's love for Dalit is nothing more than political stunt. Tarma praised Rawat government and said current management during Chardham Yatra is a result of Chief Minister Harish Rawat hard work.
शीतकालीन चारधाम यात्रा भी विकसित हो सकती है और उसके लिए राज्य सरकार ठोस बना रही है, जिससे कि हमारे लोगों को जो रोजगार का कुछ न कुछ अवसर मिलेगा। सीमा के जनपद इसमें लगभग हमारे जियोलॉजी विभाग ने भी उनको संवेदनशील गांव कहा है, इनको पुनर्वास की जरूरत है और राज्य सरकार ने भी उस दिशा की ओर एक कदम आगे बढ़े हैं। लेकिन विस्थापन एक बड़ी समस्या है, उनके लिए ज़मीन का तलाश किया जाना है और उनको फिर हम ऐसा नहीं कि एक गांव को उठा कर बसा दें, साधनों का बड़ा सवाल है और उसके लिए भारत सरकार को प्रपोजल भी किया है कि हमको पैसे की ज़रूरत है। गैरसैंण के भविष्य के लिए चिंतित है। 2007 से लेकर 12 तक 5 साल आपकी सरकार रही, आपने गैरसैंण पर नज़र भी नहीं दौड़ाई। ये कांग्रेस है जिसने 12 में आते ही गैरसैंण को आज वहाँ खड़ा कर दिया है कि लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि गैरसैंण में स्थायी राजधानी बनेगी या अस्थायी, और मैं समझता हूँ कि गैरसैंण में राजधानी की तमाम जरूरी चीज़ें।
Former Health Minister of Uttarakhand Tilak Raj Behr had a meet with SSP over the issue in which suspicious object was thrown on a religious place in Rudrapur Kheda colony. Behr asked SSP for quick arrest for the alleged person who is trying to worsen the city's air. He alleged that LIU and police are not taking actions. In 2011, such incident in Rudrapur witnesses violence. BJP youth winning protest in Champawat over Pak slogan by guest teachers in Dehradun few days back. BJP workers submitted a memorandum to ADM and asked him for immediate arrest for those who did it. After 4 years, a woman finally gets justice over illegal construction complaint as court released the order to break illegal construction. But the order didn't go well as locals started protesting in Maheshpur of Kashmir. When administration reached the spot, local opposed them. The woman who had filed the complaint also protested over local protest and said that she has the court order and administration has to follow it. After hours of long drama, administration succeeded to break a part of the illegal construction and went off. Instructions have been given for the bank headquarters that only the account holders would be given the exchanged money. People can check it on the internet. After the announcement of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to demonetize 500 and 1000 rupee currency notes, the people on the expect lines huddled the bank across the city in a large number to exchange or to deposit the now invalid notes. Many were shocked as the bank official helping the customers in exchanging notes told them that the money of Rs 4,000 as fixed would be given only to the account holders and not to any of their relations. In various banks of the Lal Kuan region, more than Rs 10 crore was exchanged in demonetized currency notes of Rs 1,000 and 500. The first day of demonetization had brought out a knee-jerk reaction from a proportion of the public, with more than Rs 4 crore being exchanged in various banks. More than Rs 10 crore was exchanged in the bank among heavy presence of police posted to maintain order and prevent any disruption. Police teams also had been posted at the bank in view of security concern. State capital Dehradun will soon get 8 new Indira Amma canteens. Self-help, tourism. Chief Minister Harish Rawat said on a press conference at his residence while supporting the centre's move to pull out the currency note of 500 and 1000 of circulation to rid the Indian economy. We are studying things now, but one thing is clear that the tourism sector is supposed to be the mainstay of the state economy. It's time for a short break.
चेहरों में खबर खोजने का भी अलग हुनर है। चेहरों की भाषा पढ़ना है बेहद मुश्किल। चेहरों की हकीकत सब नहीं जानते। चेहरे, फरेबी चेहरे, हर चेहरे के पीछे छिपे चेहरे। हमें पता है हर चेहरे की हकीकत, उसके पीछे छिपे सभी राज। अब हर चेहरे का उतरेगा नकाब। HNN 24/7। आगाज हो रहा है उत्तराखंड की नई सोच का।